This morning, outrage in Memphis is growing over the death of 29-year-old Tyre Nicholas at the hands of police.
He was a human piñata for those police officers. It was an unadulterated, unabashed, nonstop beating of this young boy for 3 minutes.
Oh my God.
His mother, inconsolable, after officials showed the family and their attorneys body camera footage from the deadly encounter.
I watched about a minute of it, but I couldn't. Once I heard my son say, "What did I do?" I lost it, and I couldn't.
The footage, not yet released to the public, shows a January 7th traffic stop that left Nicholas in the hospital in critical condition. He died 3 days later. Police say they pulled Nicholas over for reckless driving, that a confrontation followed, and Nicholas fled on foot. Then another confrontation, after which Nicholas complained of shortness of breath. All of this, his parents say, just yards from their home. The family and their attorneys unable to speak in detail about the video due to the investigation, but giving a disturbing account of what they saw.
Regrettably, it reminded us of Rodney King video.
All 5 officers have since been fired after an internal investigation found they violated multiple department policies, including excessive use of force, duty to intervene, and duty to render aid.
What does justice look like?
Murder 1, charges for all 5 officers.
Along with the Shelby County District's Attorney's Office, the FBI and Department of Justice are also now investigating, as Tyre's parents remember their son as a good kid who loved to skateboard and watch the sunset.
And I'm trying to stay strong, but it's very difficult.
And the Memphis Police Association, which represents the officers, isn't commenting on the case, but they say that the community and the family deserves a complete account of what happened. And it's also important to note that in addition to the 5 officers who were fired, 2 Memphis Fire Department personnel who were involved in the initial patient care have also been relieved of duty pending an internal investigation. Now, as for when this video could be released publicly, the Shelby County District Attorney's Office says that could come this week or next, saying that they don't want the release to compromise the investigation. Savannah?
So many questions there. Priscilla, thank you very much.